Hello viewers, today second lecture is on quality according to researcher. Hello viewers, today our next lecture is on quality according to Hello viewers, today our next lecture is on quality according to researcher. A quality according to ISO 9000. ISO means International Standard Organization. A quality is the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfill the requirement. Second, quality according to Phillips B. Crosby, quality is conformance to requirements. Third one is quality according to W. Edwards Deming, a predictable degree of uniformity and dependability at low cost and suited to market. Thank you for watching this video.